In this video, I'm going to show you how to use array in Python. So let's say I have a variable name and I put the Harry as the value. So now we know that this single string is stored in a variable here. So what if we want to store multiple value, multiple name in a variable? So I can create a new variable names, and then I can start the assign value with the square bracket here. So inside the square bracket, we can put multiple and separated by comma. So let's say I put the first name is Harry, and then I comma, I put Baim, and then comma, I put John. So we have three values inside a variable, which is stored as array. So the array, sometimes we don't know the size of the array, so we can check how many items in the arrays with the len function here, and then when I run this, it will return the number 3. So that means we have 3 items inside the array. Okay, so now how do we add a new value inside the name? So let's say I want to put a next name is Aiman, so I can put names.append, and then in append function I can insert the new name here. So if we rerun the code, and then the length of the names will be up as 4. Okay, so what if you want to see all the value? Actually we can remove the len function here, and then if we run again, and then we can see all the values listed here. So now what if we want to remove the item inside the array? So actually we can do simply as using the remove function, and then I put Baim here. So when we run the program, the Baim will be removed from the list. Okay, so this is how we add, we remove, we set the value of array. So what if we want to only show only one name instead of showing all? If you put names, and then it will print out every name inside the array. So we want to only show one names. Let's say I want to show the John. So first of all, we need to know that the index in array start with number 0. So the Harry is 0, Baim is 1, John is 2. But since the Aiman is added, so the Aiman will be 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. But we remove the Baim, so that means it's only Harry 0, John 1, Aiman is 2. So let's say I put here the 1. So when we run it, it will show the John name. And then if I put 0, and then it will show only one name, that is Harry.